How to buy Trilayr token. So this token came under the symbol of Trill. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, or crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Now before going on buying this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. This token, it's in pre-sale right now. So if you click on their link on their in their X account, you will be redirected to this page. So as you can see, this token will be coming soon in Bybit's coin, Git.io, BitGet, PancakeSwap, MEXC, and HJX. So if you want to buy this token on their pre-sale, click on buy trail, as you can see. Now here, select your wallet. So if you use like Trust Wallet, Wallet Connect, or any of these. So if you click on, after you select your wallet, I will just log into my wallet first. Now after that, connect your wallet. So after you connect your wallet to this pre-sale page, what you need to do after that, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, if you want to buy with BNB, or if you want to buy with USDT. But make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet first to be able to buy this token. So here, set how much you want to buy. And here we'll be able to see how much you receive of that token. So after that, click on buy now. So wait a few seconds. As you can see, they show you here approving USDT. Now, after that, as you can see here, how to buy. So also you connect your desired wallet, choose your currency, BNB or USDT, enter the amount that you choose, as you can see here. Press the buy button, go to my account, there see your balance. So after you complete this process, so as you can see, you can now complete the buy. So because I don't have any funds on my wallet, I can be able to see here confirm. So after you click on confirm, you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Trill token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.